No be small wahala don dey for our country, my correct people. The value of the Nigerian naira don drop, the kind drop wey never happen before for the history of the country finance. For black market on Thursday be 15 February 2024, the exchange rate dropped to around 1,600 while the official rate na 1,517. Before I give una the full koko, my correct person, I wan welcome una back again to Anointed Lady TV. For inside this channel, we dey like give una ogbonge and legitimate news wey dey happen for inside our country, Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to the channel, abeg make you try subscribe and put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news, my correct person, you dey get the update sharp sharp. And abeg try to share our videos to your family and friends. Share and give them, make them to dey know wetin dey sup for inside this our beloved country, Nigeria. Back to the koko of the hour, my correct person. No be small thing wey don happen for inside our Nigerian currency. This kind free fall don make the life of the country people dey miserable, plus e con cause serious confusion for business people wey no sure whether they go fit survive for this kind expensive price for dollars. Even though the naira don dey experience plenty kasala since the last government wey hand over power for May 2023, e enter another gbege the following month after the handover. For June 2023, the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) e come begin implement the policy of unification for the naira, wey earn the top bank over the foreign exchange market. Since then, na only market forces or market activities fit to determine the value of the dollar to naira. But this policy get k-leg based on say some kind things bin no dey help the economy to support the policy. Finance expert wey be Victor Aluyi, wey be ogbonge Nigeria investment analyst, e say this kind fall wey the naira don fall so e no show the true value of the naira. E say the main wahala wey dey cause the high price of dollar na sake of say the government unification of the naira policy dey face big challenge because the economy no dey get the dollar wey e need to implement am. E say our country Nigeria dey run on economy wey get very high demand for dollar, as e dey import almost everything enter the country, but e no dey do enough export to make the amount of dollar wey im people and the businesses dey need. Aliyu say this unification of the naira policy wey don dey run for the last 6 months say e carry plenty palava follow body. E say the first palava be say people no just trust the policy at all, and that na why more and more people dey buy the dollar even with the expensive price because dem believe say dem go make money as speculators. The Nigerian investment expert come add say this CBN policy say e no clear at all, based on say the bank no dey give any information, so people no too understand wetin dey occur, and this na also why speculators dey take advantage of the situation. E also get businessmen wey dey speculate not because dem wan change the money when the naira fall, but na because dem no sure wetin go happen when dem don go buy dollar like in the next 2 months. The second problem with the unification of the naira be say as government begin implement this unification of naira, the policy come open for yansh and people come dey see say the level of scarcity of dollar e high no be small. According to Aluyi, my correct people, im say the signal dem give be say things tight for the CBN. You no fit unify the naira just by talk. In fact, the koko be say once you wan unify the naira, you must get dollar to support that unification policy. If you no get dollar to back am up, then nothing go happen. The real challenge be say we no get dollar to back am up. The demand plenty but no dollar to back am up. That na why the value of the naira continue to fall against the dollar. As if that one no dey enough, on 23 January, CBN kuku come adjust the price of the dollar lower and e come make the naira come dey weak. This one come cause the number 3 palava for the unification of the naira. Dollar price come fall yakata after CBN governor wey be Olayemi Cardoso announce on Wednesday say the top bank dey try increase liquidity of the amount of the cash flow for the foreign exchange market. One forex analyst wey be Kyle Chapman, im come dey tell tori pipo say the kind free fall wey the naira dey fall so e don become constant matter wey dey repeat imself every time and every time. Chapman come still tok, im say the more e dey fall na the less investors go enter our country Nigeria. No be small thing, my correct people. Aluyi say im believe say something go happen soon to change the direction wey the naira rate dey go right now. Aside from this, im say the government must to increase the dollar supply for the economy. The government fit do by increasing how much e dey make from crude oil by increasing production. Chapman agree with Aluyi as im say the official naira rate dey nearly go jam the black market because CBN never fit clear all the outstanding amounts wey e dey owe for the forward deals sake of the shortage of dollar. Then im say government need to increase interest rates so that they go fit attract foreign investors. Aliyu say when interest rates dey high, e go increase foreign money and this go fit increase the foreign money wey dey government hand. And he come add say although dis one no be permanent arrangement, but at least e go help government manage di fund. Meanwhile, di Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) e don tell international oil companies say make dem no pay 100% repatriation foreign exchange proceeds to dia mother companies wey dey overseas at once. CBN say international oil companies fit repatriate 50% of dia proceeds first, den dem fit pay di oda half afta 90 days. Now, Wednesday 14 February 2024, di Director of Trade and Exchange Department of di bank Hassan Mahmood tok dis one for circular. CBN say dem don observe say proceeds of crude oil exports from international oil companies wey dey operate for Nigeria dey later transfer am go offshore to fund dia parent accounts of di international oil companies. Dem come describe dis one as cash pooling. According to how di CBN take tok am, my correct pipo, e say e dey impact on di liquidity for di domestic foreign exchange market. E say in line wit di ongoing reforms for foreign exchange market, say e dey necessary to take measures to address dis trend. Consequently, di CBN come dey direct say banks dey allowed to put cash on behalf of di IOCs wey be international oil companies, subject to a maximum of 50% of di repatriated export proceeds for di first instance. Di balance of 50% dem fit repatriate am afta 90 days from di rate of inflow of export proceeds. And dat one, my correct pipo, na how di CBN take yarn. As e don be like dis now, food, electronics and all kind of things for inside our country Nigeria, e just dey increase for price sake of say di foreign exchange e no balance at all. Sharparly, my correct pipo, ma give una di history of di dollar to naira rate. For inside di year 2013, $1 dey equals to 157.27 naira. Then the next year, be 2014, e come increase to 169.68 naira. Then for inside 2015, my correct pipo, e come become 196.99 naira. Inside the year 2016, e come become 305.22 naira. Inside 2017, my correct pipo, $1 come equal 306.31 naira. Then inside 2018, e come become 306.92 naira. 2019 come bring the sum of 306.95 naira. Then inside 2020, $1 come equal 381 naira. $1 come equal 410.47 naira inside 2021. Then inside 2022, e come become 449.5 naira. Then inside last year, with 2023, my correct pipo, $1 bin dey 897.6 naira. Then right now, inside 2024, my correct person, the current official rate of the US dollar to Nigerian naira na 1,517 naira, and the black market rate na about 1,600 naira. How you see the matter, my correct people? Crazy things dey happen for inside this our country Nigeria. My correct person, this na the koko I bring come on a table for the hour. No forget, this na Anointed Lady TV. We dey like bring on ogbonge and legitimate news wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to the channel, make you try subscribe and put on the notification bell so that as we bring the update, my correct person, you get them for your phone or wherever you get them from sharp. And I bet try to share our videos to your family and friends. Make them too they know wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. And they bring another update for you, my correct person. Just click the next video.